As well as the ability to use Microsoft Word to create blog posts, we can take any of our documents and share them on social networking sites. There is a prerequisite to be able to do that, and the prerequisites are that A, you have a SkyDrive, because really that's where the documents get posted to, and then a link gets shared on your social networking sites. But the B requisite is that you tell Microsoft Word that you are attached to these social networking sites. And we do that under File and Account. Now you can see here connected services are Guy SkyDrive. That's a prerequisite that I'm connected to SkyDrive. And I'm connected to at least one social networking site, and that's Twitter. But I can add others. So I can come down to Add a Service, Sharing, and we can see there are two others that are supported by Word 2013. Now you will find that if you add these services to our account here in Word, they're also accessible to Excel and to PowerPoint. So you can effectively share the service. You don't have to add it to each application. So if I want to be able to share files and post them on my social networking sites, I need to add these services. So I need to add Facebook. And we find we're actually already connected to Facebook, but Word doesn't know about it. So I just click Done, and the Facebook service will then load into my connected services. So let's go add the other social networking site, LinkedIn. Quite common. Here I'm asked if I want to share to LinkedIn, I must make a connection. Okay, let's connect. And what will happen is we're actually linking our Windows Live ID, which is guyvaccaro@live.com, to my LinkedIn account. In order to do that, I will need to log in to LinkedIn through the little portal. So here we have to grant Microsoft access to our LinkedIn account. So I need to enter my LinkedIn information, not my Windows Live. And then we have an option here for how long am I going to allow Microsoft access to my LinkedIn account? Well, until revoked, but I can change that. Okay, I'll allow it. And yes. Excellent, that's it. That's how simple the process is. And it's exactly the same process for joining up to Facebook and Twitter. You're effectively just joining your Windows Live account to your social networking account, whether that's LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook. So done, and that will appear in my list of connected services. So I've provided the prerequisite information, and that is to have a SkyDrive and be attached to that SkyDrive, and to have connected my account to the social networking choices of Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Now that I've fulfilled the requisites, I can open a document that I wish to share, for example, the Access Manual Extract, single page of A4, giving a little bit of information about Access. So I then go to File and Save As. I now need to save this document in my SkyDrive so that I can then share it. You'll find that until you save the actual document in the SkyDrive or use a document already in your SkyDrive, you won't actually be able to post to social networking sites. Let's go to Guy SkyDrive, choose an existing folder or browse my SkyDrive. And then on the SkyDrive, let's create a new folder called Social. Then we'll open the Social folder and save the file. We'll keep the same name, Access Manual Extract, and save. Now once we've given the document time to save and upload to SkyDrive, and we can see down in the status bar where we're at, currently uploading to SkyDrive. Once the document has uploaded, if we now go to File and Share, we'll notice a new option appear that wasn't there previously, and that is the Post to Social Networks option. So I give that a click. I then see the 3 social networks that I've added to my account, and I will only see the ones that I have added to my account. So if I only add Facebook, I'll only see Facebook. If I've only added Twitter, I'll only see Twitter. And I can choose to post to all 3 at the same time. So let's choose all 3. We then can control the access rights to the document. So I'm allowing them to view it, or can they edit it? No, let's just view it. And we can even include a personal message. This document is a test training file for your information. So that's my message. It's going to go to all 3 social networks. I'm allowing people to view the file, and then I simply click Post. And because of the prerequisites already being in place, the document is saved to my SkyDrive, that I have added to my account the 3 social networks, then this part of the process is very simple and straightforward. So that document has now been saved in the SkyDrive. and posted on all 3 social networks. All we need to do is go have a look and see what happens in each of the social networks. So looking at the 3 social networks, this is Facebook, and we can see there's the post. This document is a test training file for your information with a Word icon and a link to the actual Access manual extract stored in my SkyDrive. On Twitter, we see the post here. This document is a test training file for your information with a shortened link, which Twitter has done for us because the link to the actual document will be too long for a Twitter post. And then in LinkedIn, we can see again my LinkedIn, and then there's the activity. This document is a test training file for your information. And again, LinkedIn has converted it to a short link because again, the link will be too long to post with a Word icon. And then it tells you the document, Access Manual Extract. The title is also a link and tells you that it's in skydrivelive.com. Now, it doesn't matter which of these social networks you're in. If you click the link, it will then open up SkyDrive, allowing the person that's obviously clicked the link to view the document. And after a bit of delay in the loading, we find the document is then loaded up, ready to be read by whoever happens to have followed it on the social network and clicked the link through. So that's being able to post your Word documents onto one of the social networks. Don't forget the prerequisites of the document having to be saved in your SkyDrive, and then the social networks you wish to share on must be added to your account under File and Account. With those prerequisites in place, any document can then be shared by posting to the social network. You choose which one of the 3, or all of the 3, or 2 of the 3. Choose permissions for the document, can view or can edit, and then add a message that will be posted onto each of the 3 social networks. Don't forget that Twitter has a character limit, so if you type too much in here, it will be truncated before posted through to Twitter.